Kayla here, and today we're going to be having a look through the new Kaisercraft scrapbooking kits. I've got the Serenity one here, and we're going to be going through the Reminisce one. I'll start by apologising for my ugly duckling nail. He got in a fight with a potato peeler, and he lost obviously, but we will just leave it at that. Now, I've already gone through and taken all of the plastic out of this because plastic is super annoying to film with, and I'd rather avoid it if I can. So, whoops daisy. First of all, the first thing to note is they come in these amazing clear plastic boxes. I know I've just complained about plastic, but that's just because you can see my ring light. These boxes are super cool. They've got nice rounded corners, they're nice and deep, and they're just great boxes, great little boxes, so that's already a win in my books. I've also got all of the little collectibles in there, but we will go through those later. So to begin with, on the top here we have this super nice little chipboard bits and pieces. We've got some phrases on there, we've got some little elements, that's really lovely. I'll come off to the side. And then we've got all of this gorgeous lace. Let's see if we can unroll some of it. So you've got a whole, I don't know if you can see how thick it is, but you've got a whole roll of this amazing, lovely thick lace. You get a little stamp set, so that's got, oh, it doesn't make a difference. You've got a film strip and like a vintage lace stamp on there. And then we've got all of these lovely little flowers. Oh, let's pop you over here. Got all of these beautiful little flowers. So those are all in your kit as well. Oh, where's my camera? That side. So those are all included too. And then we've got this super cool sticker sheet. These stickers are beautiful. But you've got some postage stamps on there, some words, some borders. So that's a really nice little sticker set. There we go. We'll go through those in a minute, but we'll go through the papers first. So to begin with, we have a really lovely, you know what, I'll leave it on that blue. It's not blue because it's acetate, but that just makes it easier for you to see. So we've got flowers, we've got butterflies, we've got film strips, and that's all on acetate. Now these packs come with 8 double-sided papers. So that is side 1 and side 2. We've got side 1 and side 2. Oh, I like this one. We've got side 1. Look at all those butterflies. If you're a fussy cutter, you'll like this sheet. And side 2, so we've got some borders on the other side of that one. We've got side 1 and side 2. Oh, I haven't seen that. That's beautiful. Oh, I love the postage stamps. That is so lovely. We've got side 1 and side 2 with this lovely sort of corner border on there. That's really nice. We've got side 1 and side 2. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a really lovely vintagey pink. I like that. We've got side 1 and side 2. That's really beautiful as well. These papers are lovely. Just to clarify, I haven't been through this before I opened it on camera, so this is the first time I've seen all this. It's really pretty. And finally, side 1. It's kind of got like an old vintage film strip, kind of like the squares at the bottom. And side 2. Oh, I like that one. That's beautiful. So those are all the papers, and then we've also got this little cup of embellishments here. So you get, let's see if I can lay them out for you. I don't know if my hand is big enough, but we'll try. Not quite, but you get the gist because you get a couple of double ups. And you've got one more there. So those are all of your little wooden embellishments. You get a couple of flowers, a couple of phrases, a couple of bits and pieces there, which are really nice, and they're obviously the nice thick wooden ones. So we'll pop all of those down there. And then finally, we've got some collectibles. Now, I probably won't show you all of these, but you get the general idea. You know, you've got phrases, you've got lots of lovely vintage butterflies, lots of lovely flowers, we've got rulers, little bit of everything, a couple of little tickets there. So those all come in this pack as well. Pop them down there. The bowl's not included, sorry. So there we have it. These are the new Kaisercraft scrapbooking collection kits, and this is the Reminisce collection. As you can see, you get so much in these, and it's super good value for money. So we have these available on the website at the moment, and they're also in store. They landed yesterday, so that was Monday. And you're welcome to come in and have a look, and obviously shop to your heart's content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Thanks, bye!